How to represent a given vector in terms of unit vectors? A vector OC is given to you. That vector is A, and we have to represent it in terms of unit vectors, that is I and j. In general, we can write a vector as Ax and Ay, where Ax is treated as the x component of the given vector and y is the y component of the given vector. But if you look at Ax, it's the x component, can be written as the magnitude into unit vector. How is that? If you look at this is your Ax, and that vector has a magnitude Ax and it points along x-axis. The unit vector along x-axis is represented by I cap. So Ax is x component is given by Ax into I cap. Likewise, Ay is the magnitude Ay, like this. This is your Ay, which is equal to the magnitude of the vector into unit vector along the direction. What is the unit vector along y-axis? That is j cap. Thus we have Ax is equal to Axi cap, Ay is equal to Ayj cap. Thus the vector A can be represented in its complete form as x component into I cap plus y component into j cap. Suppose that vector is present in 3 dimensions, not in xy plane or in any other plane, then we write it as Axi cap plus Ayj cap plus Azk cap, where Az is its component along z axis and k cap is its component, or rather unit vector, along z axis.